My name is Surendra Kumar. I've been in this trade for nearly 35 years. I started my career as a merchandiser, then as a production manager, and I have lots of people spread out in the city who have been working with me as a quality controllers under me. A major subject of any product is quality. The exposure of that brand can be focused only through quality, not through anything else. It is actually your conscience. Your conscience is your quality. The user gets confident on the product. Giving the confidence is only through quality and not through anything else. My vision and my focus is on the end user, not on the brand user. The customer who buys from him and goes, no, I think about him. He has to be satisfied, means automatically his brand will be satisfied. And if his brand is satisfied, I am satisfied. They are not buying from us alone, even from other manufacturers. So we should in no way be lesser than any of the manufacturers. Maybe we can be one step ahead. And we focus on that one step ahead. There are companies who say, okay, as long as the needle gets more blunt or whether it gets broken, they use it continuously. But here we have a limitation. You can use only for this much number of garments. After that, whether it is broken or not, whether it is blunt or not, we replace. So there's a perfection maintained in the sewing of the garment. When you get a rework pieces, it comes back once again. Either you make the same operator to rectify, or you depute another operator to rectify that. And for that you need a checker, you need someone to dismantle the assembly and then once again work on it. It costs two things. One is your time and then the other one is the money. So you lose both, which cannot be recovered. Now we have something called a 7-point system. This 7-point system is when an operator stitches 7 pieces, means 7 operations of his operation. Every operator is given a particular work only. Either he has to attach the sleeve or attach the side. Particular operator who is attaching only the side seam. We take 7 garments from his production. We check for the accuracy in the seam. Whether there is a broken stitch, whether there is a skip stitch, whether the tension is right, whether the operator has fed both the ends properly inside the machine. The guy who comes with one mistake, we give him a yellow flag. And the yellow flag will be in his mission, alerting him always when he stitches the future pieces. But when he fails, we'll give him a red flag and we'll give a trial. When a red flag is given, it means that the operator is on trial. And after another 7, once again he is going to commit the same mistake, he will be removed. If everything goes fine, it is a green flag. So, as a quality person and all our quality controllers, our focus will be mainly on the red flag. We will be seeing where all red is there, because that is a more critical area where we have to monitor more. Only after all these parameters, it comes to the production area where you get products. It's a safe product. Any product coming from our company is really a qualitative and safe products. I can assure you that much.